We want to figure out if we have an acute, obtuse, a right, or not a triangle at all. And we want to use the Pythagorean inequalities here to check uh, to see what's going on. So first thing is to check to see if we can even make a triangle out of this. We're going to add together the two smaller sides and make sure that it's greater than the largest side. So that one checks out. So it's definitely a triangle. We just need to figure out which kind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my two smallest sides. I'm going to add the squares, so the sum of the squares. We're going to compare that to the square of the hypotenuse. So 10 squared, so we're really looking at what's the comparison between these two. 10 squared and 11 squared, that's 100 plus 121, that's 221. And 14 squared is 196, I believe. Yes, it is. All right, so 221 versus 196. So the question is a squared plus b squared bigger, or is it smaller than c squared? And the way that I always think of this is if a squared plus b squared is bigger, that means c squared got smaller. So if we start with the right triangle, if we need c to get smaller, we shrink this side down, and so we have an acute triangle. All right. So again, a squared plus b squared is bigger than c squared, so we have an acute triangle.